Hey friends, if you wish to fix Microsoft Store error with the error code 0x800704C6 on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is Windows Store Reset or WS Reset. Now this clears the cache of Microsoft Store and resets its settings. This would be very helpful. So press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command ws reset and hit enter. This will reset the Microsoft Store and reopen it. The next solution is to check the internet speed. So we will search for fast.com and hit enter. And we will check the internet speed. Is it good enough? If yes, then proceed to the next solution. This is to re-register the Microsoft Store. Now we have a command for you. I have shared it in the description section of the video. All you need to do is copy this command and then search for PowerShell in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator in the right pane and paste it here. Hit enter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.